find Michael and get him back to Emma's before something happens to him. This is Michael's place. These zombies think someone's home. Michael, you home, buddy? This zombie didn't kill itself. This blood trail leads inside, but the door's locked. Hollywood career's undressed, so you don't... Sound? The key. Yep, key's got knocked off the hook. Please don't be... Fuck! He's not here. He might still be alive. Well, maybe he's gone to this Jesse's place. How do I find that?
Oh, hey, Michael? This is Roxanne Kwan. If Jesse's there studying, could you tell her to be back here by 8? I don't want her to miss the party. Probably best you don't come, though. After, you know. Okay. Bye.
So, it's Jesse Kwan I'm looking for. Jessie Kwan! She lives right next door. Going out of the window was good enough for Michael, and it's good enough for me.
Sorry, zombie. Party's over.
I'm not a zombie.
Is it the pizza?
Hey, do you have pizza?
Just let me the hell in.
Yeah. Well, if I open this door, a whole load of zombies might rush in, and I'm pretty sure that's a bad thing.
So, just close the gate first.
Oh, yeah. Well, we're having this big party, right? And some of the guys, not me, were riding on a gate, and it broke. Now, there's a whole bunch of spares in the garage, but it's like full of riffraff.
Fine. Okay, I'll handle it.
Oh, killer. I'll hit the garage button. You bounce the party crashers and fix things up. And then, dude, mi casa is your casa. Hey, Roxy, we got company. Find your jeans.
Fuck is my underwear?
I am dealing with absolute morons. You weren't kidding about the riffraff.
Seriously? Every zombie for miles is gonna hear it.
Just gonna keep coming if I don't close these gates. This should work. sword. Wonder where it is now. Seriously.
Hey, were you getting the pizza, or were you fighting zombies in the yard?
The zombies.
Oh,
You
right.
say pizza?
No!
Sorry, man. Big evacuation party, you know. Oh, shit! We gotta get to the evac! Roxy? Roxy, hey! Come on, babe. No time to sleep. We gotta evacuate. Hey, Jesse, pack your shit! We're going!
Hey, the evac was days ago.
Oh, my fucking skull! Boom! Gods and whiskey!
Slept through another alarm. Hey, at least we got supplies for a few months.
Wow, that is a lot of food.
Food?
Okay, listen to me. Dumbasses. I am looking for Michael Anders.
What do you want with that stiff?
They don't get along. You don't call the lead singer of Gods and Whiskey a has-been.
Damn right.
The correct term is was-been.
Baked bean.
Oh, Christ in a can.
Okay. Jesse might know.
Oh, she's not here. Huh. I'm not getting that feeling of disapproval.
Another note.
Dear Mother, if you must have sex at 3 in the morning, please can you refrain from moaning and screaming quite so loudly?
That was you. Say she's gone up the hill to help a friend.
You just let her come and go with all those things out there.
Hey, she's smart. She's in med school.
She's real sneaky, too. Every time I turn around, it's like, whoa, she's right there.
Well, I'm gonna go find her.
Ah, cool. Looks like we're gonna have the place to ourselves.
No. I need to get my head together.
Hey, come on, she's gonna be okay. They're gonna find her. Come on, let's, plan and shit.
Yeah, play to our strengths. Thanks. Let's hear your big plan then.
I'm gonna check you. So, she should be hanging out with some construction workers. Was Dan pranking her? Or is the joke on him? noise. Whoa, traps. I better watch my step. Hello? Jesse? Anyone? Why is no one coming? I'm making enough noise here.
Kill this noise. Oh, God.
Ears. Getting old.
Whew. Sure glad you showed up. I'm Jesse.
Ryan, I'm a friend of Michael's.
Oh, he never mentioned you.
We're, apocalypse buddies.
You bonded over not being dead?
Kinda. Do you know where he is?
On his way to Monarch Studios.
Monarch Studios. You say why?
He had to get something important. So I made a lot of noise to distract all the zombies, and Michael snuck through the gate to the studio access road. My plan was to hang out with the construction guys till the zombies got bored and left.
Oh, the construction guys who are all zombies too?
Well, obviously I didn't know about that. They were fine yesterday.
Okay, well, look, your mom was worried about you.
Oh, they regained consciousness, did they? You know, she was perfectly sensible before she met Ricky. Now it's like trying to keep a couple of wasted teenagers alive.
Well, they are lucky to have a responsible adult around.
I just hope Michael comes back. I miss having someone intelligent to talk to.
Need some help getting home?
I'm pretty sneaky when Michael's not galumphing along next to me. You can get going.
All right, well, good luck. Monarch Studios? What does Michael want there?
You know, you're good at this. You're good at, apocalypses.
I just, hit the zombies till they stop biting me.
But I'm not. Roxy and me, staying out of trouble is like a full-time job, man. I've only ever been really good at one thing, and I barely even do it anymore.
Hey, you had your moment, though. You were a god back in the day.
Ouch. And exactly. Like, what have we done lately? I gotta find that spark again, man. Get back in touch with the gods instead of just the whiskey. Oh, Farouk.
Say what now?
Farouk's our producer. He lives next door down the hill, like totally obsessive about discographies. Collects every master tape and unreleased track you could imagine, including ours. Hey, some of those had real promise. I wonder if maybe sample them? Hey, I'll be right back, man. Tell Roxy not to worry.
Wait. You are not going out there.
I'm not?
What if that pizza guy shows? Huh? You don't want to miss him. I'll grab your tapes.
Oh, kick ass. If Farouk's not home, just ask his boyfriend Dave to show you around. Tell him I sent you.
I'll tell him. Then I'll hit him till he stops biting me. I'll just let myself in. Grab the Gods and Whiskey master tapes and get out. Gods and Whiskey. Ooh, axe me nicely. I love that track. Got 'em all. Hopefully this'll distract Ricky from wandering outside. Hello, Ricky. Do you remember me?
Oh, hey. I don't remember calling do we have an interview scheduled?
No. No, we don't. I got your master tapes from your dead producer's house.
Farouk's? Oh, man. Dave's gonna be, like, heartbroken.
Well, he's dead too.
Oh, sad note, man. Like, ballad worthy. There was this one track we laid down and... Hey, wait. Did you say master tapes? I was just thinking about getting those back.
Wow.
This is fucking awesome, man. I'm gonna listen to them right away. Oh, there's some gems on here, you know? Some real gems. I think. Hey, thanks. You're like a guardian angel of rock.
More like the patron saint of idiots. Just, stay indoors, Ricky, okay? traction wore off. That looks like a pass card.
What is this, rush hour?
Studios. Why would Michael risk his life to come here? Where would he be? Jeez, cool. Wow. Movie magic in action. I could open this big, scary spider door. the illusion here. Whoa, cool. Must be fun being an actor. Ugh, caustic slime, like in the hotel pool. Ugh, how did I get here? Ugh. Someone blocked that door. They must have been chased out of the soundstage and gone down that alley. Could be Michael. Footprints. Now I'm getting somewhere. Which way? Michael! Where do you go from here? Oh, I see more of that goop. Come on, hurry up.
Please ensure all cell phones are turned off during the recording.
Finally. World's slowest elevator. It wasn't even a real elevator. I'm never telling anyone about this. Seriously, Michael, where the fuck are you? Whatever I've been following?
Hey, Michael!
God! What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Me, I came to get... we're in trouble. Look out!
Okay. Get out of here! I can handle. Yeah.
Whatever that is, we need to kill it!
Okay. Go! Where's the shot? Q Ray.
God damn it, that was the worst one yet. Hey, you okay?
I'm fine. Just a bit hot.
Wait, we went through all this for a fucking Ramiro?
Emma's Romero, but no, of course not. Look, medical supplies.
Is someone sick?
No, well, not yet. It's not like insurance is worth anything these days. We'll need these to, keep us safe. I am helping.
I'm sure they'll come in handy. So, Emma means a lot to you.
Just give me more than I can ever repay. I can't be what she needs. I can't protect her.
She needs your advice. I got a plan, but she's not sure she can play her part.
She can do anything.
So tell her. Then we can all get out of L.A.
Sure. Yeah. Okay.
Hey, you there? It's Sam B.
Sam, what's up?
Heard you was in the hills. Me too. Got a line on some guns.
Oh, I could use a gun.
No doubt. Come meet me.
I should take you back. Don't want you getting bitten.
Well, you don't need to worry about that, okay? I'll be fine. Just go get those guns.
Okay. If you're sure.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, Michael. There must be a way around here. Back to Rio.
John? Anyone here?
Lady.
Hello?
Hey, this is Ryan Hero Services, cheapest in town.
Okay, it's clear you're alive. I have a friend who needs help. Any chance you could get to the Halpern Hotel, soon?
Oh, that place. Who's asking?
Hold up. I'm Hannah. I'm hunkered down with my BCLA buddies in the rental we share in the Venice canals, but I've lost contact with one of them. Rav. He's a med student.
Sorry, but it ain't too hard to figure out why you lost contact.
You haven't seen the Bobcats in action. He's a survivor, and he's been making unique weapons. He'll make it worth your while.
No job too hopeless. Okay, I'll look for your friend.